Hello everyone and welcome to this video on this course of getting started with Angular. So far we had went over a great deal of basics when it comes to the Angular framework. We have learned how to create components manually and automatically. We have learned the significance of the selectors, the template URL, the styles URL inside of a component. We have learned that a component is reusable and we can use a component inside of multiple components. We have also learned a bunch of about directives. What are structural directives? What are attribute directives? We have had the chance to practice with directives as well, and we have had the chance to look at a great deal of basics in journal. I believe that in order to truly learn the Angular framework, watching the videos does help, but it's also important to practice what you have learned and try to build something. It doesn't necessarily need to be something extra complicated or super complicated. It just needs to be something which gives you guys the ability to practice your newly learned concepts and build out something that can be that can provide value. So as you guys can see on the screen, I have this very basic looking e-commerce type of application. This is something that we will be building out on Angular. It should have the ability to view products. We should have the ability to delete products, look at their details. Obviously, the details right now is just text, but we should have the ability to add images. And also, when we click on delete, obviously the products have been deleted. We should have the ability to edit products, the title, the price, and the other thing is that I should give this product the ability to give me that real-time feeling. Like right now, if I click on details, it takes me to a new page. I should implement the ability in my application where if I click on the details, the same page should give the details as well. Now I don't have the whole structure of the product planned out, but as we try to build it, you guys will see that the concepts that we learned in the previous lectures will be implemented and we will try to build out something meaningful. So yeah, I will be seeing you guys in the next video where we will build out this rough looking e-commerce application using all the concepts that we have learned so far.